Hey everybody, we're here at the Marshall Way. This is Dave Maturo, this is my son David, and we are practicing on how to abuse your kids and get away with it in your training. So no, just kidding. So this week's theme, and this is day 2, is knives, right? So this is a training knife. And so now we're going to work on a situation where somebody's, they're slashing at you and they're flailing a little bit. So now I have to be careful because this is like sticking your hand into a buzzsaw. It's the timing of when you think you can do it. If I get in too fast, I could get cut. So he's going to swing a slash, right? He's going to slash the face, the neck, the chest, whatever you can get. Right, slow, boom. Okay, so keep it up here. Right. So as he does that, I want to back just enough out of the way to not get cut, but I want to be close. And the timing of when I want to react is very careful. I only have a small window. Keep going. So he swings. Wow. So when it comes to a knife, this isn't like boxing. If a punch or two gets through, it's not the end of the world. You can't let any one of these through with a knife. So you either have to go in aggressively or get out aggressively. It's fight or flight. I either go in and smother or I evade and get away. So in this case, I'm evading and getting away until, like we did with our weapons practice, a measured withdrawal. I'm watching for my opening. So what you'll notice is as he slowly swings, once the knife gets to about center, and I know momentum's carrying him, that's when I want to act and get in. Any later, and then it's already coming back and I may get cut. So he comes in with a slash. Hey! I grab, I'm going to sink him down. This could be a counter punch. From here, I'm going to bring the knife in, the bone end of my forearm against the blade. This could also be a shot to his face, and I do a Kotegashi move. Kotegashi is a painful wrist lock. Take him down, and I would take him down to the ground, but we're not going to do that. If I switch to the other side, left hand, he switches to the left hand, same thing. I evade, wait till it goes to the center, bang, cut down, I leave my weight. That could be a shot. Put the bone end of my forearm in. This could be a shot to the face. Wrist lock down, take him down to the ground. I could also kick the knife away. So it's painful, go nice and slow. Thank you, David. Please train, and we'll see you again tomorrow.